Hello and welcome. In this video we are discussing about SAP ABAP data elements. So data elements describe the individual fields in the ABAP data dictionary, and they are the smallest indivisible units of the complex types, and they are used to define the type of the table field, structure, component of row, type of a table, and information about the meaning of a table field, and also information about editing the corresponding screen field could be assigned to a data element, and this information is automatically available to all the screen fields that refer to the data element. Data elements describe either elementary types or reference types. Table field uses data element uses domain. Creating data elements. So before creating a new data element, you need to check whether any existing data elements have the same semantic specifications required in your table field. If so, you may use that existing data element. You can assign the data element with a predefined type, domain or reference type. Procedure for creating data element. Go to transaction SC11. Select the radio button for data type in the initial screen of ABAP dictionary and enter the name of the data element. Then click the create button, and you may create data elements under the customer namespaces, and the name of the object always starts with Z or Y. Step 4. Check the data element radio button on the create type pop-up that appears with 3 radio buttons. Step 5. Click the green checkmark icon and you are directed to the maintenance screen of the data element. Step 6. Enter the description in the short text field of the maintenance screen of the data element, and in this case it is customer data element. You cannot enter any other attributes until you have entered this attribute. Step 7. Assign the data element with the type, and you can create an elementary data element by checking elementary type or a reference data element by checking reference type. And you can assign a data element to a domain or predefined type with elementary type and with the name of reference type, or reference to predefined type with reference type. Step 8. Enter the fields for short text, medium text, long text and heading in the field label tab. And you can press the enter and length is automatically generated for these labels. Step 9. Save your changes. The create object directory entry pop-up appears and asks for a package, and you may enter the package name in which you are working. If you do not have any package, then you may create it in the object navigator, or you can save your data element using local object button. Step 10. Activate your data element. Click the activate icon or press Ctrl plus F3 to activate the data element. A pop-up window appears listing the 2 currently inactive objects. And step 11. At this point, the top entry label DTEL with the name Z_cust is to be activated. As this is highlighted, click the green tick button and this window disappears, and the status bar will display the message object activated. If error messages or warnings occurred when you activated the data element, the activation log is displayed automatically. The activation log displays information about activation flow. You can also call this activation log with utilities activation log. So this was a brief discussion on SAP ABAP data elements. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now.